How to improve Snapchat camera quality on Android. So in this video, I'll show you 3 methods on how to fix this problem. So the first method is, all you have to do now, after you open up your phone, before you start recording any video, make sure you go ahead and clean the lens of your camera. As you can see now, like this one, go ahead and clean the lens. Use some like good tissue and clean the lens like this one. Make sure you clean the lens. So after you clean the lens of back camera, if you want to use the front camera, make sure you just go ahead now and clean the lens using a clean rag. So after you clean the lens of your camera of your phone, now go back and open up your Snapchat app like this. So after you open up your Snapchat app now, if you want to improve the camera of your Snapchat, the next thing to do, all you have to do now, you can tap on this little icon like this. So from here, you'll be able to see different options. The first one is flash, music, multiple snap, timer, director mode, focus, and grid. So make sure you focus on these three options. The first one, this last three. So the last one, this one is director mode. So this director mode will give you information about, as you can see now, to direct your camera. Tap on this console. And the second one is, as you can see now, focus mode. So this focus mode is the most important thing. If you want to record something, make sure you use this focus mode to capture the exact thing that you want to capture, or to capture the face of the person that you want to record his video. As you can see now, it will give you a alert that move closer or move back, as you can see now, after you enable the option. The next thing is, you can tap on this grid option. So by enabling this grid option, now it will give you an option to position your video. As you can see now, it gives me some line on my camera. So this will allow you to position what you want to record on your Snapchat. So these are the settings that you will use to improve camera of your Snapchat. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.